Ritvik. I am Ritvik. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tirunelveli; Madhya Pradesh, UP; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Madhya Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tirunelveli; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Tamil Nadu, Telangana; Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata. Women Freedom Fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh; Anna Asaf Ali; Sujendra Kripalani; Vidurani Chandamma; Keladi Chandamma; Onake Obava; Vijay Lakshmi Pandit; Sarojini Naidu; Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai.
Districts in Karnataka:
Bagalkot, Ballari; Bidar; Bengaluru Rural; Bengaluru Urban; Belagavi; Chamarajnagara; Chikkaballapura; Chikadurga; Dakshina Kannada; Davangere; Dharwad; Gadag; Hasan; Haveri; Kalburgi; Kodagu; Kolar; Koppala; Mandya; Mysore; Ramanagara; Raichur; Shimoga; Tumkur; Udupi; Uttara Kannada; Vijaypura; Yadgiri. Four Vedas: Rigveda; Yajurveda; Samaveda; Atharvana Veda.
Planets in solar system:
Planets in solar system: Mercury; Venus; Earth; Mars; Jupiter; Saturn; Uranus; Neptune.
Seven colors in rainbow:
Seven colors in rainbow: violet; indigo; blue; green; yellow; orange; red.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka:
Jnanapita Award winners of Karnataka: Kuvempu; Dara Bendre; Shivaram Karanth; Lakshmi Venkatesh Iyengar; V.K. Gokar; U.R. Ananthamurthy; Girish Karnad; Chandrasekhar Kambala.
Top 10 Indian scientists:
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan; C.V. Raman; Homi Bhabha; Jagdish Chandra Bose; Meghnad Saha; Satyendra Nath Bose; Anu Kokrekar; APJ Abdul Kalam.
Hindu lunar months:
Hindu lunar months: Chaitra; Vaishakha; Jyeshtha; Ashadha; Shravana; Bhadrapada; Ashwina; Kartika; Margashira; Pushya; Magha; Falguna.
7 continents of the world:
7 continents of the world: Asia; Africa; Europe; North America; South America; Antarctica; Australia.
Indian festivals:
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi; Navaratri; Christmas; Eid; Holi; Muharram; Good Friday.
National festivals of India:
National festivals of India: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5th, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
Rivers of India:
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra; Ganga; Godavari; Indus; Kaveri; Krishna; Mahanadi; Narmada; Periyar; Tamil